hello. Once again, it's Buhle Betfu time. It's your favorite time of the week. It's your time to tour the kingdom of Eswatini. Kanti mbukela una nampumela kaDlamini sibonge ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu. Ngithatha lethuba lekubingelela ngiphinze ngwemukele ehlelweni. Ngihamba naye Neliswa. Hello Neliswa.
Hi Mpumi, how are you?
Awesome.
Of course, it's that time of the week again where we bring you Buhle Betfu in the kingdom of Eswatini. You know that we bring you nothing but the best as we explore the land and see all the beautiful places and all the beautiful events that are happening in the kingdom of Eswatini.
Kunjalo Neliswa kanti ke mbukela utawukhumbula wena ukuthi namambala bekuyimbela sonto lebeyiphishaneke kakhulu. It was LUJU festival lebebanjele lapha ya emalandales eMalkens. Kanti lobe kuhle kakhulu ukuthi thina singibuhle betfu besingakabuki nje lo mcimbi kuphela besibuke bona abantu labasha labenetinto letahlukahlukene. Sidibeneke naye embali lo ngumthungi kumbekelo wathiwa ngekuthi fashion designer Neliswa. And also what was fascinating ukuthi we came across young men down there who are very talented. Labantu abanemisebenzi yetandla labathi bakuthola kubo gokwabo. Not just ordinary beads, but beads la ngathandwa yini youth. Ngoba thina sesilaka sinye youth Neliswa.
Of course, Bumi. And you know, one of the exciting things that I got to see when I saw the work that they have to do, Lamaqebesha abo yinto lehlukile, which you have never seen before. When you look at the creative designs that they have, I'm talking about your emojis on Liqebesha. It's something that we're interested to see and have to decorate ourselves as young people. So culture, now we are fascinated to have it as part of what we do.
Of course, Neliswa kodwa ke kubuhle bethu phela sicoca indzaba kumele sibukele babonele bona
Of course.
LUJU festival mbukele asubone ukuthi buhle bethu kubiyenani kona LUJU walonyaka.
Where are all the lovers at? Come on, lovers. And you say, hold me close. Hold me close. Please don't step on my toes. Don't you step on my toes. Please don't step on my toes. Don't you step on my toes. Come on, sing on. Hold me close. Hold me close. Hold me close. Don't step on my toes. Don't do it. Don't you step on my toes.
And then my surname is Dacunia, my granny. I've always watched her bead and it was something I liked. Even at school, I went to St. Michael's High. I learned how to crochet and all of that, and I always excelled in that. So that's when I thought, oh, I'm actually good with my hands. Let me work something about it and turn it into Craft Avenue and make beads, because then I saw a gap in the market because they only make gebeshas and those African things, and then I saw that for my age group we don't have jewelry for us to wear every day, everywhere. So let me make something for them that they would love, that I also love. So I have these flower pattern necklaces and bracelets. I noticed that, well, actually, I saw them on Pinterest, and I'm like, these are amazing. I wonder who can make for me. I sent it, and then I made it, and then my friends at school liked it, and then I started making orders for them, and then here I am, consistency. Well, with us, we understand that the employment rate is low, and also we don't want to add on to that. We don't want status like, oh, finally unemployed. No, we want to work and show people that you can do things with your hands. You have social media to help you get ideas and just learn, and you're gonna have your school to support you. If you're into business, ask your business studies teachers for advice. They will definitely help you. Write your notes, you must make a business plan and all of that, because I started with no business plan and my mind went bonkers. So I learned that you need to set your goals, where do you want your business to be, and everything will just fall like a house of cards. I am Craft Avenue. You can find me on social media at Craft Avenue _2021, because that's when we established our business. This is an amazing opportunity because I know that my beading and all, this is actually my target market, and I'm excited that I finally have my customers, and this is an opportunity to expose my business more to them, because I can't only stay online, I have to show face like the crown of a queen. Yes, if that's the name, if I get it right, yes.
My name is Grant Joel, and I'm the manager of Buhle Farm Coffee, which is a sub-brand of Buhle Farms. We are based in the Lubombo Mountains in Stegi, and so yeah, we grow a number of things on the farm. We grow coffee, we grow macadamia nuts, beef, and maize. Those are the main things. But I think Buhle Farm Coffee specifically was born, I think, for me personally, and for like what you have here today in October last year, which is like mid-lockdown, where we decided to ramp up our production, the actual growing of coffee, which is happening in Stegi, which not many people know, and we started processing it and roasting it in or on the farm. So we then grow, process, roast, and enjoy and prepare it on the farm. And now we bring in that and that artisanal specialty coffee to Eswatini. So my father-in-law actually he planted a couple, I would say about 2 hectares of coffee about 10 years ago. And his wife's grandfather actually planted coffee in Mabuda in 1959. So the coffee's been around. And my father-in-law saw that in 2010 and was like, well, we're gonna make a go of this, we're gonna plant out more. And we felt there's always been a need for locally produced, specialty grade quality, specialty grade coffee in the country that's fresh and freshly roasted. Because most people just get it in from and support international brands, you know, that's roasted in Italy. But now people can support brands and support quality that is roasted and grown here in Eswatini. So I think we've had multiple waves of coffee, you know, of the coffee craze, first, second, third, and now we're even onto the 4th wave. And the 4th wave is all about asking, you know, where does this coffee come from and how many hands have actually touched this coffee? How much, you know, not sweat, but how much like labor and effort has gone into it? Because I can tell you now a lot of effort goes into it. And we're all about empowering and equipping and upskilling people. And so if we can do that on the farm, which is the goal, rather than people getting in coffee from Italy, let's rather employ more people in the Lubombos and get them and get people to enjoy coffee that's grown here, and therefore we're able to support more people and more people that can then support their families. So just to mention, our mission statement or the values of our farm is to provide. So to provide jobs, to provide food, to provide like healthcare and assistance to the Lubombos and the people in the Lubombos, to protect the Lubombos, so we use environmentally friendly techniques and processing techniques with the production of the coffee. And then we want to prosper the people of the Lubombos and the Lubombos as well, and see us as a people prosper. Yes, so you can find our brand. Our favorite place is in the green shed at Buhle Farm, which is our roastery. That's our home headquarters. But you can also find us at multiple coffee shops and hotels in Eswatini. You can find us in Vickery Cafe. You can find us in Vuvuline Food Market. Yeah, we shortly will be in Malandelas, but we're also at Sugar Snap Cafe and at Farm to Online. You can find us, you can email us at coffee@mabuda.com, or you can find us at www.mabuda.com.
I'm Nundubego Ngumalo, and I'm from Babane. And and this is my business, Pickle Sauce. So I make sweet chili sauces, delicious sweet chili sauces. So I'm a person who loves cooking. So I just tried different ingredients and I just put them together, and that's how it started. And I thought, wow, this could be a good business, you know? Yeah, because it's really tasty and I think people would love it, they would enjoy it, and yeah. Okay, I would say that there is a bit of a struggle because it's different now in terms of how you get your product out there. But I mean, because if you are still starting off, you know, and maybe you are working from a home space, you know, there are certain advantages, I would say, rather than maybe renting out space. So, I mean, there are ways of navigating, hey? I wouldn't say it's been that difficult, but I've managed, and getting the product out there, we have social media. So, I mean, you can tell about your product without physically being there. And then obviously using whatever opportunity in terms of touch points, which is markets. I mean, we're here now at LUJU Festival, so we're here to promote our brand, to make it visible. So we've used such opportunities, and yeah, people have been receptive. Okay, so I'm at LUJU today, and we've been selling the sauce and just marketing the sauce basically, and just interacting with the customers, just letting them know that this is our brand and this is what we're selling, because some people don't even know about it as yet. Some know about it, but they want to taste it. So yeah, that's basically what we've been doing. Actually, it's a lovely story because it comes from my name. It's actually a combination of my name. My name is Pearl, and then my other name is Nondobego. So I just put Pearl and Nondobego together. So that's the story. Pickle Sauce. Yeah. So we are on social media. We are on Instagram. We've just started our Facebook page. And then what we're trying to do right now is get our product in different outlets, you know. So we are at Spice World, Mbabane, and Manzini Bonimo, as well as Farm to Table at Mandenga Craft and Lifestyle. And you can also just call us, you know, if you want to order personally, because we do value, you know, face-to-face interaction with our customers. We want to hear from you. We want to have a conversation with you. We want to know how we can make our product better, you know, because we are doing it for our customers, not for us. So we have two varieties right now. We have hot and mild. That's what we have. It's a sweet chili sauce. So because we're starting out, we don't want to confuse our customers and have a lot of products as yet. We just want to establish ourselves, and then once we get our customers used to the product, and then we can expand and try different varieties and flavors.
My brand name is Stylish Cultural Crafts. Ngiyathola na Instagram na Facebook. I just do beads jewelry, but then sengiyaqala ngiyathuka ngentana lokunye, like be that shoes, be that clothing and everything. We're just trying to put beads anyway, just to be innovative and to make something new in the market. Now what I'm saying, ngakuza ekhaya. Sikhule bakwenda ekhaya labadzala, so in that way I developed the love for it. Nami ngathanda senze. So ngalo sengikuthanda ngakwenda noma sibayekele ngabe ngibeka ngwena because nami ngisita ngakho. Okay, I make the new beads, the new shiny crystal beads, other than the normal beads, lamancane langasi shiny, just to accommodate the young people out there. Lababa like style is outdated. So sifaka le style lokuhle sibakha in a way ukuthi uthande nangumuntu omncane, uthande nangumuntu omdala, like any age. Noma uvulile noma uswenkile, but ukhona ukufaka lo style. Ukhona lokusebenzisa. Okay, business is my passion. Ngiyathanda business, but also I developed the love for handcraft because I grew with it. So I like business, such as a student at Ecot in business management. But again, to make it a business for myself. I would say, guys, stand up. Business has got money. Yes, education is important, but you can hang the ball because imagine at a young age. Angeke sonke isikhathi sokuthi sizawudependa kulabadala or something. Now to get sometimes the toilet is sithengele. Mina I've been doing that for almost 6 years now, so I can provide with toilet and some other stuff. So if business is very important, such that noma ngabe maybe our cash for what you studied, we are gonna cover people in business you are currently, especially with 700 danza.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying back to now if I fashion, but go see no matter what guns are updated, Uktanza in that way, but who find no matter who find no matter not necessarily go see putting out or something.
For me, Monte Carlo means the demand for nice fitting clothes, perfect fitting clothes for plus size women. Well, for me, I've always been passionate about design, like ever since I was a little child. I mean, I've always had dolls and I would always make clothes for my dolls until I was like from 5. So I just saw the passion that I had and then turned it into a business. Monte Carlo has been here since 2012. And then I'm available on Instagram, Monte Carlo by Bali. And then also you can reach me out on my cell phone number 766-13645 to make an appointment. I also do cater for other sizes. Like if you have issues with your bust and your waist, if it's not regular, like what is normally available in the local shop. My specialty is in wedding gowns and bridesmaid dresses. But then I also do have a ready-to-wear range, but it's an exclusive one where in design, like I have like 2 dresses and different sizes. Like I don't stick to a specific design. It means happiness. It means, I mean, we've been set for quite some time, and for the past 2 years we've been experiencing COVID, and it's been sad, like for the country and for the business sector, you know. So for me, when I see the pop of color, it just brightens my eyes, so and it gives me a smile.
The innovation part of it is what does it for me. When are you doing something with those tiny hands of yours?
With all the inspiration that I got from the LUJU Festival, I can promise nothing but the best that shall be made originally by these hands of mine. Let us quickly take a short break, and do stay tuned and make sure that you just stay there. Welcome back to the show. This week we discovered a beautiful place right here in the kingdom. It is located at Mhlambanyatsi. It is called Coffee Culture. They make wonderful coffee which you can enjoy with your friends, and I hope you will be excited as I was to see what is it that they had to offer to us. Let's go.
Yeah, look, Coffee Culture, I would like to invite you. Please come and visit us. We open 6 days a week. The only day we close is Mondays. On weekends we open 9 till 3. Come and enjoy. We've got a wonderful outdoor area. If you're nervous about indoor areas, we've got an outdoor area that seats 30 people. Yes, the baked goods, we do a selection of muffins, we do cakes. My personal favorite is my grandmother's carrot cake recipe that I've introduced to the coffee shop, and it has been a winner. We do cheesecake, we do chocolate cake, and then one of our main attractions of our menu is the waffles. We do the Belgian waffles, the savory and sweet waffles, and they have been a huge hit, as I don't think anybody else in Eswatini does waffles. And then we also do potato skins, which is filled potatoes, and people absolutely love those. So I've brought a lot of my personal favorite things I brought into the coffee shop, like salads and... Now my passion, I've always been very passionate about eating healthy and etc. Not that we're always on that track, but generally our family eats quite healthy. And I enjoy my freshly squeezed juices. The purest form of extracting juices from vegetables and fruits is by cold pressing it. And we basically cold press all our juices fresh on order. Like for instance, this wonderful product, it screams out health. It's got, like for instance, spinach, ginger, apple, orange. So when you squeeze all those ingredients and you blend it together, it actually is a very nice taste. And it's extremely healthy. So I enjoy having one of these every morning. Okay, with Cafe Sol, my husband and myself are self-proclaimed coffee snobs. When we travel, we have our little gas burner, we have our mocha pot. Yes, that's what coffee snobs do. You take your own coffee everywhere. So we basically, we tried many different products and we came across this wonderful coffee called Cafe Sol. It's a bean that comes from Malawi. The beans are grown in Malawi. It's a fairly traded product and it gets roasted for us by a roastery in Maputo in Mozambique. So it's the blends that we do here are specifically roasted for us. Well, you get different kind of beans. We enjoy the bean. It's called the Arabica bean, and often you get coffee blends, which is a mix between Robusta and Arabica beans. But we prefer the 100% pure Arabica bean, which is it's very healthy, and we just like the taste of the coffee. It depends on how you roast coffee, but we really enjoy, of all the coffees we tried, we really enjoy the taste of the specific coffee. Tayman Tours. The tour business is called Tayman Tours. We transport a lot of people that come into Eswatini, and we also know regional areas very well, and we mostly do NGO groups. That we fetch them in Johannesburg, bring them to Eswatini, take them to our local game parks, and also because Mozambique is such a big personal passion of ours, we also like to take people into southern Mozambique. And yeah, we haven't done that in the past 2 years, but we are looking forward to better days. Yeah, so we've set up, we're ready to move forward, and we're just waiting.
I hope you were excited to see what Mhlambanyatsi has to offer. The coffee shop that was there, as you all know, that coffee is one of the things that I love enjoying when I'm unwinding with my friends. I've said this before, I'm saying it again. Now we have coffee culture. It will be my new culture to enjoy my coffee right there.
Jabula wena Neliswa mina nganatha coffee nje ebuthongo yinto lengoze ngibone next week. That's how terrible coffee is with me. Kodwa ke mbukele it's that time of the season. Nawe sesikhathi sakho sokuthi nawe ungathokota uphume uyobona letinye tindzawo letinhle lesinato lapha event la kangwane ungacala khona ke eMhlambanyatsi. Kanti masikhuluma ukuthi it's that time of the year, it's that season where everybody's doing everything. Sitabe sikulethela khona la hlelweni lakho mbukele lithi Buhle Betfu tindzawo longativakashela even this year. Even though ke mbukeli sonke siyathi ukuthi phela sikulunguta wona umkhuhlane lomkhulu again.
Of course.
Sona sigaba sesine kodwa ke lokuhle mbukeli ukuthi you can still go there and be safe. Keep your social distance, wear your mask, sanitize, be safe.
And of course, if you want to know where you can visit, where you can go, do make sure that you follow us on our YouTube channel. And also we are there on Facebook. Do follow us, share the links, post your hashtags. Whenever you're making a post on social media, do hashtag Buhle Betfu so that we can see the places that you visit. Maybe we can bring them on the show and encourage others to visit the same places.
Actually, maybe we could bring them on the show.
Of course, of course.
Kanti ke mbukeli sasifike khona emaphethelo nehlelo lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu akusithokotisi ukukushiya kodwa ke eveni lelita ngesikhathi sifuna sidabe sinawe khona la ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu kungako lokusuka kimi kanye naNeliso Makhanya ehlelweni lakho lelithi Buhle Betfu sithi nisaleni kahle.